Let's create your dream vision board that actually works. This video will reveal secrets most people do not know about. Warning, I am diving deep into creating a tool and a process that brings your desires to reality. So if you follow my advice, be careful what you wish for, as your wishes are likely to come true. I am Natasha Clower, a certified energy healer and life coach for men. Having worked in data and tech industry, I was deeply fascinated with the nuances that make manifestation, and specifically visual boards, effective. After more than 15 years of testing various configurations and having studied deep wisdom of our ancestors, I believe I can confidently guide you to create a visual board that works at bringing your dreams to reality. Let's begin. Vision board is, first of all, a tool to crystallize your vision for a set period of time. I do them for 1 year, however, you can do them for the next 3 years, though I find that their effectiveness goes down the longer the time horizon is. Vision board is not a magic wand. It is a method to outline your North Star for the upcoming year in the visual format. In my other videos, I covered in depth the modern research that backs the ancient wisdom of why vision boards work. Today, we will go through the mechanics of creating one. First, what is the layout of the vision board? There are many forms of vision boards, and there is no right or wrong way to do it. I found that the layout that adheres to its origin brings or facilitates a more fulfilling, happy year as a result. I can honestly say that in all my years of studying energy modalities and manifestation techniques, I strongly believe that when done correctly, vision boards are an incredible tool to unfold your life in a desired fashion. Subscribe to learn more about optimal performance in love and life through modern, practical solutions rooted in deep wisdom and quantum energy. I hope to see you soon. Bye.